So here we have this little FURINNO shelf. Now this thing is super cute. It's made from these laminate tops and plastic rods that connect it all together. It was also about the simplest piece of furniture that I've ever assembled because it all just kind of screws together like this. And because of that, it's actually surprisingly sturdy. It definitely doesn't have the most space on it, but it makes for a really nice little display table. There are a couple things I don't like about this, or I wish were different, and one of them is the bottom here. So the bottom of all these boards here are just plain particle board, and there's no laminate on it, which you honestly can't really tell unless you get down close and then look up. So it's really not that big of a deal, but I'm really picky about that, and it would have been nice if all the sides were covered. And the second thing is, this doesn't have any leveling feet on it, which isn't too big of a deal, but it looks like it would have been pretty easy to add them, and they would have been a great inclusion. Apart from those things, this is a pretty nice and really cool little shelf. You can load it up with all your favorite decorations, and it would look great. And if you really wanted to, you could use this as an end table for your couch, because at just over 2 foot, it's the perfect size. So if you're looking for a nice little shelf like this, then I wouldn't hesitate with this one.